So I let my man Trey pick it, and we're gonna see if it's a flop or not. So we're gonna do, he picked Warrior Ways. We're gonna buy the bonus. We're gonna do $120 bonus. We're gonna see how this goes. Here we go. All right. Come on, baby. Come on, symbols. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Come on, don't stop now. Come on, baby. Come on. One more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No.
So we got three spins.
$10X. I don't know what this means. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, come on. 10X, 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 10X. No. 10X, 10X, come on, 10X. Yes, let's go, let's go.
We get like $20 right here or something.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
We're only betting $1? We just won 200.
We just won 350.
Bro.
Let's go. Made 260 just like that. If you guys want to make money too, you can also get rewards and stuff. Click my link down low and download a stake. Good day, YouTube. So today, me and Trey, we got our fancy suits on. You know what I'm saying? Looking fly, looking fly. Here you go. But today, we're gonna freaking, probably gonna need to lock my door. Hit that link in my description. We just won $500. It was like $550 in what? Half an hour?
What's your name?
Trey.
Oh,
You smoke crack?
that's Kaden.
Did you smoke crack, kid? So, today, we're gonna go to the driving range. I bought these off of like Facebook Marketplace. Turn this down. Shut up. And supposedly, these golf balls are supposed to explode when you hit them. So I wanted to take them to the golfing range and see what these things do. So we're in our fancy suits. You might be asking yourself why, and don't mind all that. This is the work truck. We're gonna be doing stuff in suits that you normally, well, I'm not really in a suit. I have sweatpants on. But we're gonna be doing stuff in suits that you don't really normally do in suits. Boy.
Big strong man in the suit.
Look, a slug fell off of it.
Hello.
Kobe.
Here's oh, the slug's still alive.
That slug
You missed him.
is actually a cat.
9 lives.
What the hell? Look at the Got some bottles.
Is that sparkling?
Yeah.
They're probably expired. Maybe.
Let's see. How did that not explode?
Say my name, say my name. No one is around, Joe.
Bro, what are you doing? We're quick. What is that?
I don't know. Two-tron?
GT? I think it's.
Oh, it's an e-tron. It's electric.
What?
Yo, that is hard, bro.
Crazy looking. So, One day we'll get there. Probably like 100,000+.
Probably
We're at the-
fast.
We're at the driving range. You guys probably seen it from one of our other videos. We're gonna make these balls explode here, bud. What the heck? Let's break this one.
That was a nice one.
That was a nice one right there. She's going. Good. This is the one. It exploded.
Top of the morning to you.
Keep on breaking. I just got him. Hit this real quick. Goes, and again, goes really far. He's got too much power. Well, I guess we got like one reaction. It wasn't too crazy, but gonna toss this up and let it explode. Forgot my phone in there. Go back there. I gotta make a U-turn. Come on, green light, baby. Let's go. Rev it up, sir. Rev it up. Alright, well, we gotta go save my phone. Ooh, did you feel that power? This thing's a beast.
I got it.
I'm sorry. Just a prank. You get it?
I'm from Mexico.
From Mexico?
Okay. Yes.
Oh, it's just a prank? Yeah. Yeah, it's just a prank.
No sé.
Yeah, thank you. Just a prank. Sorry. I guess I got pranked.
That was.
Oh, it's just a prank. I just want to let you know. Do you get it? You don't get it? It's just a prank. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's just a prank. Did you get it? Did you get it? It was just a prank. I just want to let you know it was just a prank. I didn't mean it. It was just a prank, yeah. Thanks. It's just like she didn't know what to do. She's like, ah, what? Whole time, like I just planted a bomb behind him. But I don't know, it's just so funny. But yeah, screw that. I hate this Walmart because the lines are always so long.
Going back to GameStop.
We're going back to GameStop now because they have
Over
the same
there.
stuff that we were gonna grab anyway. All right, you guys. Wow, that's a little close to me in face. Can I get a number 23?
I get 18.
A number 18, a number 14. Let me get a 19 as well. Yeah, how much is that up to? 20? All right, then let me get a number 20. How much is a 16? Is that a 10 or a 5? I'll pass that. Let me get a number 22, 24. That should be 40, right? Let's do the small one first. We're down 40. Nothing. All right, let's do the $3 one next. All right, so we're down $2. $5. Get this one. Come on, Steve Harvey. Let's do something. $10. Bingo. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-G-O. Let's go. $10. Okay. All right, so we're down 0.
5,
so
right? That's
Lamar
one I
Jackson.
picked out.
Action Jackson. Okay. Got our money back on that one.
So now we're down 5 still.
All right, Monopoly, 20x. Let's get that 20x. Nope. We got 3 left, baby. Come on. Show me
Big money, big money.
the 9x. Okay, well, we're just winning all of our money back. Cash on cash to go. Let's go. Okay, we're just winning all of our money back. This is gonna be.
We need this one to be like 10 to break even, I'm pretty
Come
sure.
on, profit. Sorry, not a winner.
If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city. I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, oh my God. If I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.